Ever use ChatGPT and get results that miss the mark? That's probably your prompt's fault. Here's the only formula you'll ever need, built from 6 parts: task, context, examples, persona, format, tone. Start with the task, the most important part. Use an action verb like generate, write, analyze, or explain. Whether it's a single task or multi-step, be clear and intentional. Pro tip: simple or complex tasks both work. Just be specific. Example, create a 3-month workout plan, or create a 3-month plan, then provide weekly summaries and rest tips. Next, context. Context helps ChatGPT narrow down and personalize its output. Who's the user? What does success look like? What's the environment? Example, I'm a 70-year-old male trying to put on 5 kilograms of muscle mass. I'm available twice a week, 1 hour per session. Pro tip, don't hold back details. More context equals better results. Now examples. Show what good looks like. Give a format, a sample, or structure. Example, use a table format to break down each week with exercises, sets, reps, and rest. Pro tip, borrow examples from job posts, resumes, or past prompts. Define the persona. Who should ChatGPT act like? This changes the tone and depth of your output. Example, act as a certified strength coach who specializes in senior fitness. Pro tip, use specific roles or even fictional characters to shape personality. Next, format. Tell ChatGPT how to present the info. Want bullet points? A table? Paragraphs? Example, present the workout in a weekly table format with bullet points for each exercise. Pro tip, visualize your final output, then prompt for it. Now tone. How should it feel? Professional? Friendly? Motivating? Example, keep the tone clear, supportive, and motivating. Suitable for a senior beginner. Pro tip, you can even ask ChatGPT to suggest tones based on your goal. Here's a full example prompt. Act as a certified strength coach who specializes in senior fitness. I'm a 70-year-old male looking to put on 5 kilograms of muscle over 3 months. I can work out twice a week for 1 hour. Create a 12-week plan using a table format. Include exercises, sets, reps, and rest days. Keep the tone clear, supportive, and motivating. That's how you get high-quality, usable results. Key takeaways? You don't need all 6 every time, but always include task and context. They're your base. Pro tip, save great prompts and reuse them for faster workflows. This works for resumes, fitness plans, emails, social posts, everything. Screenshot this formula, try it out, like subscribe, and drop your best prompt in the comments. You're not just using AI, you're mastering it.